Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is Taco Tuesday. I am about to show you guys how to make these amazing pulled chicken tacos. These are absolutely to die for. Before I show you guys how it's done, don't forget to like this video if you enjoy, subscribe if you're new, and let's jump right in. All right, family, all of the ingredients will be listed down below for you guys. I am starting with 2.5 pounds of chicken breast that I sliced off camera. I am going to drizzle about 1 tablespoon of oil on there. Next, we're going to be adding some diced bell peppers as well as some onions. Also, for the seasoning, we're using onion, garlic powder, paprika, chili powder, cumin, seasoned salt, and we're using some parsley and as well as some ground black pepper. Okay, we're going to give that a nice mix just like so. Now it's time to pan-sear our chicken. I am going to drizzle some oil to my skillet. Make sure it's nice and hot. Then you're going to place your chicken breast in there. Allow it to cook for about 4 minutes per side or until golden brown. Now my 4 minutes are up. I am going to flip it over, allow the other side to cook as well. Now take a good look at our chicken, nice and beautiful. Now I'm going to remove them, set them aside, and I am going to be cooking the other batch of the chicken because it's a lot of chicken, okay? We're eating tacos for dinner tonight, so 2.5 pounds is perfect. And we're going to have some leftovers as well. So I'm going to cook this batch very quickly because I don't want to hold y'all. So let me cook this and I'll show you guys what to do next. Now look how juicy this is. I didn't add anything to it. Before you guys ask, nothing at all. So I'm going to remove them, set them aside so I can shred them or pull them later. But for now, I am going to pour in the onions and the bell peppers in there. We're going to saute these until they're super soft. Next, I am going to be adding some diced tomatoes in there as well. So we're going to pour that in. I am going to cook these for about 10 minutes max on low because I want the onions and the bell peppers to be nice and soft. Now it's time to shred the chicken. I am using 2 forks to shred it. However, you can use a hand mixer, which I tried to, but I'm like, okay, let me just use my hands instead. So I ended up using my 2 fingers to just pull them apart, which is why this recipe called pulled chicken tacos. However, we're going to move on to these peppers. These are Guajillo peppers. Okay, I am done with the chicken, as you can see. If you want to shred it smaller, you can. Then I added them to a blender, pour some chicken broth, a cup to be exact. Mix it up or blend it up together, and once it's done, it's nice and creamy and it gives you that beautiful color. And of course, the flavor of these peppers are super delicious. These are the type of peppers they use to make birria tacos, so I'm thinking, why not just use it for this recipe? So here we are. So now, as you can see, the peppers are nice and soft and the onions are translucent. So now I am going to grab my pulled chicken and add it to this. Next, we're going to add the pepper that we blend earlier, and also I'm going to be seasoning this some more because of course I gotta add some more seasoning to this. So I'm adding some seasoned salt as well as some ground black pepper, and also I ended up adding some garlic powder because I do love garlic flavor. So I'm going to add the garlic powder in there, mix it up. We're going to allow this to simmer for a little bit just to cook the pepper. Okay, the pepper is still raw, just boil it for a little bit. So I needed to cook the pepper a little bit, just let it simmer. So I'm going to cover it, allow it to simmer, not too dry, just to simmer for just a tiny bit, maybe about 5 to 7 minutes. Okay. All right, we're here now. About 7 minutes later, our chicken is nice and done. And of course, you can see the flavor through your eyes with this because it's so flavorful and it's saucy. Okay, you don't need no sauce for this. Now it's time to put our tacos together. So I grab a tortilla, place it on top of the chicken just to give it some type of color. And of course, it's gonna taste good as well because yeah. So to a skillet, as you can see, I am already making tacos already because I couldn't wait. I needed to taste this before I start making a bunch of tacos because I was hungry. So I added about 1 tablespoon of oil to my skillet. Once it's nice and hot, place your tortilla, add your cheese. I'm using mozzarella cheese with some red onion and cilantro, and I am going to add the chicken on there as well. Now all you have to do is allow both sides to get nice and golden brown and crispy. And here's your final result. Okay, nice and beautiful. Ooh, I want to eat it now. You don't need any sauce for these type of tacos. They already saucy, okay? It was not spicy because I was serving these to my kids and they love it, of course. But however, you can add some cayenne pepper, some jalapenos, okay? And of course, I have some lime to squeeze on there. It's bomb, okay? Try this out. It's Taco Tuesday. You don't make it today, you can make it tomorrow. All right, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed. Let's get this video to 1,000 likes. Come on, I know you can do it, okay? And also subscribe if you're new here. I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye, guys.